In CloneForce, operators don't just respond, they act. The Zoho operator updates real CRM records. The Google Sheets operator writes directly to live spreadsheets. A vague prompt doesn't produce a bad answer, it produces a bad data change. So the rule for prompting operators is simple: be specific, be safe, and be structured. Every operator prompt follows a 5-part formula. Start with your objective. What needs to happen? Add system and record context. Exactly where should the operator work? Include field-level instructions. Which fields, which values? Set guardrails. What is the operator not allowed to do? And always require an output and confirmation before any changes are made. 5 parts every time. Now let's apply that to Zoho. The first rule: make the target record unmistakable. Zoho has multiple modules: contacts, deals, accounts, and many records with similar names. Always specify the module, then pair it with a unique identifier, a record ID, an email address, or a deal name with its pipeline stage. Zoho CRM, deals, Q2 renewal, Acme Corp, pipeline, renewals is safe. Update the Acme deal is not. Second, name the exact fields and exact values. Zoho runs on pick lists and controlled stage names. Don't say move to the next stage. Say stage equals negotiation. Next step equals send revised SOW. Close date equals 2026-03-20. Exact strings prevent the operator from guessing or creating values that don't match your CRM schema. Third, set guardrails. Instruct the operator never to delete records. If a search returns multiple matches, say you searched John Smith and got 3 contacts, it should stop and ask which one to update. Before any bulk edit, require a full summary of proposed changes in your explicit confirmation. Guardrails turn an autonomous executor into a safety-first collaborator. Moving to Google Sheets. Start with location. Always. Name the spreadsheet, the worksheet tab, and the exact range. CS Pipeline Tracker, tab Renewals, range A1 through G200. If the file is hard to locate, tell the operator to search Drive by exact file name and confirm the match before proceeding. Next, define the schema. Think of it this way. Prompting a Sheets operator without a schema is like asking someone to file documents in a room with no folders and no labels. Tell it what each column represents and what format to use. Dates as YYY-MM-DD, amounts in USD, no merge cells. A clear schema keeps your data consistent across every entry. Finally, set your write rules. Should the operator append new rows or overwrite existing ones? How should it handle duplicates? A clean rule looks like this: append new rows only, deduplicate by email plus company. If both values already exist, skip the entry and flag it in a duplicates column. That single instruction protects your historical data and creates a self-documenting audit trail. When you chain both operators together, pulling data from Zoho and writing it to Sheets, apply the 5-part formula twice. Once for the Zoho extraction, once for the Sheets write. Map each Zoho field to its exact Sheets column. Specify the column order, and build in a confirmation step at the handoff. One important note before you start: confirm that your Zoho and Google Workspace connections are active in the Skills tab inside Clone Studio. A perfect prompt hits a wall if the connection is not live. And remember, every operator action is fully logged, with input parameters, runtime, and output, so your team always has a complete, traceable record of what ran and when. Use the 5-part template every time: objective, system and record, actions, guardrails, confirmation. That is what separates clean, auditable operator workflows from unpredictable ones.